하고 만나는 그 순간 나 다시 태어나네 십자가 볼 때마다
And that's how they do it in Okinawa. Let's go! Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Billbot here again. So, real quick, I want you guys to see this damn bathroom. It's gonna open on its own. Oh my god! Cool.
Taking over. This is my vlog. This is our Airbnb for $20 a day. Stupid cheap. So we paid $40 for 2 days. Gonna be here till Friday. Dog won't stop barking. But this is the Suzuki Lapin, or no, Suzuki Hustler. Do the hustle. Do the hustle. Okay, I'm in the car. Hopefully it's more muffled. Anyway, this is the Suzuki Hustler, which is pretty cool. Pretty standard car. The roof is really high, so if you're like 6 foot, you could probably fit a decent amount of space. We have one seat folded down for the luggage. Let's go ahead and start it up a little bit. Got folding mirrors on an economy car, so I'm gonna start this up. As you can see, it's like super animated, like, so go! So it's an electric car. We're averaging about, this is pretty bad, 22.4. I think it's equivalent, it's over 40 miles per gallon, I think. But at one point we were hitting like 60. Yeah, this is the Suzuki Hustler, 4-seater car. Seems like these are pretty big bench seats. There's no really center console here, so you could definitely squeeze another kid. Got heated seats, cup holders right there. Got a cup holder right here. Got another cup holder right here. Overall, it's a solid car. Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
So, we're at this castle in ruins here in Okinawa. Let's go check it out and see what there is to see. Okay, so we found out what it's called. It's called the NAKAGUSUKU Castle. So that's super cool. And we're gonna go ahead and take advantage of our free cart service. Hey, for YouTube. Oh yeah. Arigatou gozaimasu. So far, this castle seems pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's hard to believe. This is my first time having vending machine drink in Japan on my trip this time, but it's gonna be in Okinawa. Okay, we're gonna start with something cool. No, no! Guess what I got, guys?
Penguin.
Watermelon cream soda. I got melon cream soda. Alright, seems to be in Okinawa that we reached this part where there's ocean water, nice breeze, nice views. Okay everybody, we reached the KAICHU Road lookout here in Okinawa. Thanks to Jelly with her informative Google Maps. So we're here to explore, maybe fly the drone. We'll fly the drone, get some cool shots, and see what the island has to offer us. I want you guys to experience what I'm experiencing through your eyes. Okay everybody, so we're in this famous lookout spot of KAICHU Road. It is phenomenal. The views you can see, everybody parasailing, it's just excellent. Oh man, it's like living in a dream in a way, you know? A little windy out here. Awesome views. Oh man. I want you guys to come out here and show me what you see. Because I'm showing you what I see, and I see absolutely beautiful, beautiful skies.
So, Billy's about to fly the drone. As you can tell, my hair is all over the place. So you can see how windy it is. See right over here, super windy. I'm too chicken to fly, but Billy's got balls. So ladies, hit him up. Ready when you are. So far, the lookout point is spectacular. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of that footage. That was really cool too. Really ballsy of me to go ahead and fly that drone in this high-ass 18-mile-per-hour wind. Basically, couldn't even fly the drone towards the wind, but I made it happen, got it to work. Super cool, about to go eat some food, cause you know, niggas hungry. Okay everyone, so far we're gonna be going here to eat. It's called King Tacos. So I'm hoping it's good. King Taco, baby. We got our tacos, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and meat fries. Taco Kevin. Pretty good. Not bad. It's not like back home. So Billy.
Okay. So if you're ever in Okinawa, you need to go check out King Taco, because shoot, there's a new sheriff in town. I don't know how I said that.
Sheriff in town.
I know, but for real, I'm gonna leave a link in the description about the address. If you guys ever in Okinawa, you guys go ahead and copy and paste it. Get some King Taco! Oh my god, what are you doing out here? No! No, stop! No! Check yourself! Can we take one home? Hi Abby, how you doing? I knew you'd take another form. Alright, we went ahead and transitioned to this place called Cape MANZAMO. And apparently it's supposed to be a cliff. That's really cool, you see the view. scenery.
Splendid.
I can't complain, guys. I really recommend you guys come to Okinawa. Doesn't have to be Tokyo. Come to Okinawa. You're gonna have a very fantastic time. Very good vacation spot. Relaxing. No rush. No worries. That's the way to live life. I'm ready. Take off! And that's how they do it in Okinawa. Let's go! So right now I'm about to try this delicious inari. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's so cute. Yep. They're about to go out of business tonight.
Around.
Wow. So basically, they just scanned my whole plate, gave me a little card, and told me I have to go bring this up there, and that's how I pay, and it's gonna tell me the whole amount. Isn't that crazy? How was dinner, guys?
Oh, it's delicious.
Nice.
Haven't had a bad meal in Japan yet.
No.
Even the bootleg ass tacos.
Pretty good.
Ham! French Montana ham! Ham! Billy from the future, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Really appreciate it. Okinawa was the best. I could totally see myself visiting this place in the near future. Alright, go ahead and comment down below if you have any comments or have any questions. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, show the love to the channel, hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I post the next video. Thank you so much for watching. It was a great pleasure. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow at the next one. Okay, Billbot out. Okay, bye 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 bye.